This is the most extreme Toyota ever built. 1,000 horsepower, 12 wheels, and a cockpit that looks like it belongs in a fighter jet. You have never seen a motorhome move like this. Welcome back to Nomad Vault, where we explore the most extreme machines on the planet. Today we're going inside the Toyota SHADOWPEAK 12x12, a $3.4 million armored expedition machine built around one brutal idea. Control every road, every climate, and every mile. And we're starting with the command center and its 1,000 horsepower heart. This isn't a dashboard. This is a command center for conquering any terrain. Climb into the driver's seat and you sit high enough that you never lose the horizon. In front of you, a full digital cluster shows speed, navigation, suspension height, and live diagnostics across all 6 axles. To your right, a massive vertical touchscreen runs everything, climate, cameras, and a 360-degree view that wraps the entire machine. Then there's the terrain selector. One dial: rock, sand, mud, snow, highway. You pick the ground, and the Toyota SHADOWPEAK 12x12 rewrites itself to match it. Air suspension raises and drops from this seat. Ground clearance climbs to 42 centimeters at the touch of a button. And the wheel in your hands carries the Toyota badge. The same badge that built the Land Cruiser and the Hilux, the toughest trucks on Earth. Except now it's wrapped in leather with contrast stitching, in a cockpit built for places most drivers would never attempt. And this is where it stops being a truck and starts being something else entirely. Under the floor sits a hybrid electric diesel powertrain built for brute force. Roughly 1,000 horsepower, with torque landing somewhere between 2,000 and 2,400 pound-feet depending on the build. That's not a highway number. That's the number that turns a mountain grade into a Sunday drive, deep mud into nothing, a desert crossing into routine. Low-end torque, all-wheel grip. Toyota reliability under every bolt. This isn't just a big truck. This is a military fortress on 12 wheels, 6 axles, 12 mud-terrain tires with deep, aggressive tread. Matte black tactical armor with sharp, angular panels, pure function. Across the front, Toyota bold chrome. The SHADOWPEAK name runs across the upper side panel and is stamped into the front bumper, flanked by orange recovery shackles and a winch ready for anything. Up top, LED light bars, satellite domes, and a solar array feeding the whole machine off-grid. Now step inside because nothing prepares you for this. The first major reveal is the bed. A king platform that rises on a hydraulic lift, revealing a hidden carbon fiber storage vault underneath. The kind of detail that shouldn't exist in a vehicle this size. This isn't an RV interior. This is a 5-star hotel suite that goes anywhere on Earth. Black leather lounge under panoramic windows. A full professional kitchen with an induction cooktop and a built-in espresso system. And a spa bathroom, heated stone floors, rainfall shower, real hotel water pressure. Not RV pressure. Most trucks stop where the road ends. Toyota SHADOWPEAK doesn't. The deserts of Arizona, the mountains of Colorado, the forests of the Pacific Northwest, the Alaskan wilderness. It crosses all of them without changing posture, fording water, climbing grades, rolling over the terrain instead of fighting it. Picture this. Golden hour on the Bolivian salt flats. Toyota SHADOWPEAK parked alone across a mirror of light. Warm stone floor under your feet, espresso in your hand, the whole world outside your panoramic window. And Toyota brought you here, and that's the Toyota SHADOWPEAK 12x12. It's a rolling fortress, a command center, an off-road beast, all wrapped into one unstoppable Toyota, and at the top trim it runs $5.1 million. And it rides on 12 wheels with the kind of Toyota toughness people already trust in the harshest places on Earth. If you loved this, hit that like button and drop a comment. Would you take Toyota SHADOWPEAK across the country? Subscribe to Nomad Vault and click the video on your screen for another extreme command center build. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.